the Space City Shootout coming up that I wanted to try to bring the cars to. Well, that's tomorrow. Welcome back to the Workbench, where we try to make things, and it's Friday, so it's time for another channel update. In today's channel update, I'm going to talk about model car shows that we're going to be going to, but also we're going to take a look at all 4 builds that we're working on right now and get a quick update. And I think that's where we're going to start. And I've got them laid out here kind of by the day of the week. So we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? So on Mondays, we work on the Chevelle, which this Monday, we just finished fixing the trunk of the car. So we got the stripes in and the clear back on and everything. So it's like nothing ever happened. These decals never crinkled on us. It never happened. Just forget that even happened. But moving forward, or for next week, next Monday, we're going to start working underneath the car. So I need to get everything painted up under here. And what I thought I'd do, by the way, I made a list. We're going to kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone here, because all you guys know how forgetful I am. So I think as we go, I'm going to make a list so I know what I should be working on over the weekend before it comes time to actually film for the whatever vehicle it is. And on the shell, we need to do, I'm just going to put undercarriage. I need to finish painting it all. I need to basically start getting that together. So that's where we're at with the Chevelle. We'll start working on, like I said, the undercarriage. Then on Tuesdays, we work on the F-100, which got its final clear coat. Not polished, still not polished yet. And I probably won't polish it until down the road, but I've got the full clear on. And what else did we do this week? I'm trying to remember. Probably not much else. I don't know. I know what I need to make a note for next week. Interior beauty panel. I keep forgetting about that. I've got to put that in, which will completely finish the interior. And then I need to, that's what we were working on, was the rear end. So I'm going to just put finish rear end, because that's what we need to get finished, because then we can start working on the front end, which is kind of getting close to the last step we got going here. I remember it also. Paint chrome on grill. This is great TV, isn't it? Me watching me take notes for myself. But that's where we're at. And this is what you can expect like Tuesday. So when the time comes for this particular build, this is what you can expect to happen. So because I'm actually taking notes this time. On Wednesday, we work on the Mars Garage shop truck build, where we have started patinaing the body. We've got our rust in, we've got our primer in, and now what we need to do is body color. And that's what we need to do on this one, is body color, and it's going to be hairspray. So we're going to use the hairspray technique to do the body color. And just real quickly, in case you guys haven't seen, we use the salt technique for the primer, because I wanted more of a coarser removing of the paint or removing of the primer. When it comes to the body color, I want to have a little more control and it to be a little finer. I don't want as much pulled back. This looks, we're not going to have near this much patina once the body color's on. So that's why I'm going to use the hairspray technique, which we'll take a look at next week. You'll get to see it, or next Wednesday. You'll get to see that, because I can control it a little better, and it's a little finer. It'll be better, I think, for the final paint. Anyways, tune in Wednesday if you want to check that out. And then kind of the forgotten build, because every Thursday in last few weeks, I've had stuff going on. This Thursday, yesterday, I didn't get that good of an update on the Thunderbird. I've got a big printing job going on in the background, so that's basically what I was doing all day yesterday. By the way, you guys will get to hear a little more about that down in the future. But we need to get updating on the Thunderbird. And basically where it's at is I need to get in all of the chrome we were going to do kind of a little bit of a chrome shootout, or whatever we want to do, because I got to get the chrome right on this thing. And I want to find out what the best chrome is. I also need to get body color in, because I want to get the body color, or the body finish painted and cleared and all that. Just kind of have the body wrapped up a little bit. So that's what you can expect for next Friday. Main thing being looking at a bunch of different chromes and see which one's going to work best for the Thunderbird. Because there's going to be, I had to strip a lot of chrome on that one, so I need to put a lot of chrome back. And I want to find out what the best one is. So tune in Friday if you want to get caught up on that. But that's our 4 main builds, right? So again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. make sure tune in all 4 days. Tune in all 4 days and come in again on the 5th day where we do a channel update, which is a little bit random. Today is the actual update. I did want to point one thing out also. We do still have the celebration build going on, or I guess I was calling it a 250 celebration build. So this is still going on in the background. I will give updates on that usually on Saturdays. Right now, I'm still working on the motor for it. I've had so many things going on, I haven't been able to get it completed. But once the motor's done, we'll have an update on that. But speaking of all these builds, so you guys who been around a little bit, a while back I mentioned that I wanted to try to get to a model car show, and there was the Space City Shootout coming up that I wanted to try to bring the cars to. Well, that's tomorrow. that show is tomorrow, and not only do I could take them. Oh, well, my plan was to take the Mustang and the 442. But I have been told no, it's not happening. I have neglected to finish the front flower beds, which has to be done. We're getting we got a letter from the HOA, so it's got to be done. It's got to be done this weekend. So that's what I'm going to be doing all weekend. But no problems. No problems. In February, the big show goes on over in New Braunfels, basically the San Antonio area. They got I forget what it's called, but it's the big show here in Texas. That's what we're going to go to. I'm putting it down on paper. I've already let the wife/finance department know. And these all are going to go with me, along with the Mustang and the Olds 442. So what that means is I'm going to get these wrapped up by the end of, at least by the end of the year, right? So that we'll have them ready for February. And who knows, maybe we can get something else to go with us. What that also means is I got to remind everybody that the Chevelle and the Cameo, the 55 Cameo, these aren't mine. This is Mars Garage's car that I'm building for him. And this is a buddy of mine, Chris's car that I'm building for him, or actually for his buddy. This is the Buddy's Buddy build. They're not actually mine. So if you guys are watching, I'm letting you know, I kind of want to borrow these until February, if that's okay, and then get them out to you, if that would be okay. And then maybe they might be coming back to you with some hardware. I don't know. We'll see how they do. I'm not expecting. I just kind of want to go do it. I want to do a car show. I've never done a model car show. I've never done a model car show, and I'd like to go do one. So that's the plan. We'll hit up the big one over there in New Braunfels, San Antonio area. That'll make for a good weekend. I can sell that as a weekend vacation because we can go hit the Riverwalk, or the San Antonio ditch, as I call it. We can go do all that stuff. It's a good way to convince the finance department that it's worth bringing some hunks of plastic across the state. Anyways, that's the plan. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. I wish I was going tomorrow. I just can't. Certain things are more important. So not going tomorrow, but let me know what you think down in the comments section. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all those buttons that, they tell you to do on YouTube. I've got a lot of work to get done, so I will see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.